Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Banker's World. Today I have brought for you the November 1st week 2020 most important current affairs MCQ. The first question is, when is the International Internet Day celebrated globally? Well, the options are 27th October, 28th, 29th, 30th October. Well, the correct answer is option C, 29th October. Coming to the second question, the construction of the world's longest immersed tunnel, the Fehmarn Belt Tunnel, has begun and it will connect which of the following countries? The options are Denmark and Finland, Denmark with Spain, Denmark with Germany, and Denmark and France. Well, the right answer is option C, Denmark and Germany. Moving to question number 3, IBM has partnered with which of the following to transform the latest customer experience using digital tools? The options are Indian Oil, ITC, Oil India, or Coal India. Well, the right answer is option A, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Coming to the fourth question, the CM of which state ordered 100% waiver on motor vehicle tax till 31st December for all stage carriers, mini and school buses? The options are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Odisha, and Rajasthan. The right answer is option B, Punjab. Coming to question 5, in October 2020, who flagged off a 200-kilometer walkathon aimed at promoting Fit India? The options are Kiran Rijiju, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Piyush Goyal. The right answer is option A, Kiran Rijiju. Coming to question number 6, in 2020, the Airports Authority of India has handed over the Mangaluru Airport to the Adani Group on lease for a period of how many years? The options are 30, 40, 50, or 60. Well, the right answer is option C, 50 years. Going to question number 7, Bhim UPI has crossed how many billion transaction mark in October 2020? The right answer is option B, 2 billion mark transactions. Coming to question number 8, who has been assigned the title sponsor of the Women's T20 Challenge 2020? The options are Airtel, PhonePe, Reliance Jio, or Paytm. The correct answer is option C, Reliance Jio. Coming to question number 9, which bank has announced that it will acquire 19% stake in Max Life? The options are Yes Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, or Axis Bank. Well, the right answer is option D, Axis Bank. Coming to question number 10, which of the following is bringing its in-house global creative services program Art House to India to help brands optimize their video content? The options are Twitter, Facebook, Google, or Flipkart. Well, the right answer is option A, Twitter. Coming to question 11, in November 2020, Priyanka Radhakrishnan has created history by becoming first ever Indian origin minister of which country? The options are Australia, New Zealand, Canada, or Mexico. Well, the right answer is option B, New Zealand. Coming to question 12, which of the following had announced the appointment of Aditya Puri, the former CEO of HDFC Bank, as senior advisor in Asia? Well, the right answer is option B, the Carlyle Group. Moving to question 13, in a move to increase tourism, who has inaugurated the Mansa Lake Development Plan in Jammu and Kashmir? The options are Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal, Dr. Jitendra Singh, or Amit Shah. Well, the correct answer of this question is option C, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Coming to question 14, Union Minister of State for Education Sanjay Dhotre has launched a self-help website Bandhu for the students of which IIT? The options are IIT Delhi, Kharagpur, Kanpur, or Bombay. The right answer is option D, IIT Bombay. Question 15, the inspiring story of first man of India has reached the pages of US schools books. Who is the first man of India? Well, the right answer is option B, Jadav Payeng. Coming to question number 16, which country is all set to begin the construction of the strategic Sichuan-Tibet rail track? The options are Japan, USA, China, or Nepal. The correct answer of this question is option C, China. Coming to question number 17, which of the following states has announced that the state will enact a law making wearing masks compulsory? The options are UP, Telangana, Rajasthan, or Haryana. Well, the correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Coming to question 18, who inaugurated a solar energy driven miniature train built as the country's first of its kind? The options are Narendra Modi, Piyush Goyal, Pinari Vijayan, or Rajnath Singh. The right answer of this question is option C, Pinari Vijayan. Coming to question 19, which of the following has developed a new navigation system designed for use of underwater that could do for underwater wayfinding that GPS has done for travel on and above the surface? Well, the right answer is option B, MIT. Question 20, which of the following will operate 4 more Vande Mataram mission flights between India and China? The options are Indigo, GoAir, Air India, or Vistara. The right answer of this question is option C, Air India. Coming to question 21, Singapore will stop printing banknotes of how many Singapore dollars from January 2021? Well, the right answer is option C, 1000 Singapore dollars. Question 22 is, according to the WWF water risk filter, which city topped the list of the 100 cities in the world susceptible to water risk? The options are Morocco, Shanghai, Singapore, or Jaipur. Well, the right answer of this question is option D, Jaipur. Coming to question 23, government announced that no service charge is applicable on how many BSBDA, basic savings bank deposit accounts, including Jan Dhan accounts? The right answer is option C, 60 crore BSBDA accounts. Going to question 24, which of the following is looking for 100 acres of unencumbered land to build the world's largest e-scooter facility as the company plans to launch its electric two-wheeler models? The options are Uber, Honda, Ola Electric, or Suzuki. The right answer is option C, Ola Electric. Coming to question 25, in November 2020, the world's largest pink diamond mine of which country has sought its door after exhausting its reserves of the expensive gems? The options are USA, Australia, Germany, or Singapore. The right answer of this question is option B, Australia. Coming to question 26, a fisherman from which district has started Kadal Osai FM 90.4, India's first and only radio channel for fisher folk? The right answer is option A, Ramanathapuram. Coming to question 27, Shane Watson has decided to retire from all cricket. From which of the following countries does he belong? The options are England, South Africa, Australia, or Sri Lanka. The right answer of this question is option C, Australia. Going to question number 28, Panna National Park declared as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in November 2020. It is located in which of the following states? The options are Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, or Andhra Pradesh. The right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Coming to question number 29, who will chair the virtual Global Investor Roundtable in November 2020? The options are Piyush Goyal, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, or Rajnath Singh. Well, the correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Coming to question number 30, the Odisha Assembly is set to go paperless following the model of the E-Vidhan Sabha of the Legislative Assembly of which state? The options are Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, or Tripura. The right answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Well, this was all for today. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like on my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and please comment on my video. Thank you everyone for watching this.